This is from 7 growing bags today. It's what we got. Picked this today. Cushaw. Canned up 100 tomatoes 2 days ago. And got 37 jars. Got 4 quarts done yesterday of jalapenos. See over in the growing bags, that's where I took 7 of them up from. Still got 6 more growing. Still got cabbage growing. Thanks for watching. Bye. Strawberries are still blooming. Still got plenty of tomatoes. Still got cabbage up there. Still got peppers, cauliflower. I mean, not cauliflower, but cushaw. Are the big ones still left in the garden right now? And cucumbers. Still got a lot going on